Hello, my name is Simant. Me and my fellow teammate Sakar, Vivas, Bimal, Vivek, and Mukesh. We six have followed the Agile methodology and have implemented it in our project, which is Agile Shopping. This is actually an e-commerce website which is designed and developed to support in all devices. Um, or we can say we have more focused on its compatibility. Likewise, the project is based on Agile, so we can say we have practiced quite a different way for the development. As on the first step, we wrote the user story and created a backlog, and so each individuals were assigned with a job in order to accomplish the task. Thus, in order to do so, we basically write testing in the very beginning before implementing the functionalities that is based on TDD, which is test driven development. Later on, we follow BDD testing, that is driven development, to ensure whether or not the behavior of the functionality is working as we expected or not. Thus, those all are the procedure which we have followed to complete our project. Now, on the behalf of my fellow teammate, I'm going to demonstrate to of our website. So, as you see over here, this is the first interface which people are which people can see when he or she will open our website. So, this is actually our main page. As you see over here, this is the sliders, and we got featured product right here. Likewise, we have displayed smartphone and laptops. So these all are the data which are actually coming from our database. So at the very first, let we create a new account. I'm sorry for this error. This is not actually error. Okay. So now let me create one account. So I will hit a sign up button. Now it will say we have successfully created our account. So I will log in to the same credential. Now we have been logged in. As you see over here, we don't have added any um, items in our cart. That's why it is empty right here. So I will take you to the main page again. So as you see over here, we got a menu. Actually, this is also a dynamic menu. And that means it actually come from our database. So when we click on an electronic menu, it will give you a second tier information. Well, to be clear, I will demonstrate it. So when I click on electronic, it is actually been subcategorized into six product right here. That is television, LED television, sorry, television, mobiles, mobile accessories, laptops, and computers. As you see in the very beginning, it is actually been categorized, and it has not been categorized in a subcategory. So whenever I hit menu button, it will subcategory, it will display the subcategory right here. So this is actually the functionalities we have added in our project too. I mean in our Agile. So when I click on mobile, it will only display now mobile. Similarly, I will when I click on the items, it will take me to the product details page, which will show the information of the product, including whether it is available or not, the brand, the shipping charge, the cost, and it will give you the button to add the item into the cart. So I will add it into my cart. Mm, so one item has been added in my cart. So this is our cart page. um, so the quantity is one, and if I again want to continue my shopping, I will click on continue shopping, and again I am actually in the index page, that is home page. So now I will have the shoes into my cart. So when I check into my cart, the two item has already been over here. Later on, I will go to my cart section. I will just write all this information, and I will click on proceed to checkout. So here we get a three different radio button, which are COD, which means cash on delivery, internet banking, debit and debit or credit card. So right now I'm selecting a payment method in COD, which is in default. So I will click on submit button, and so the product is actually being proceed. Now if I like to track whether my product has been delivered or not, I will simply click on track button, and now it will display the status of the current purchased item. So it has not been order list yet. And over here you can see it's there's a search option. If I like to check out for mi, so, okay, mi phone, then I will click on enter button, and this will display all the related product with the name of mi. So at the first one you can see there's a Redmi Note 4, likewise Micromax, because the first characters of this two word is mi, that's why it is filtered right here. Similarly Redmi and the laptop one. So this is all the functionalities of our website, including the track order. So the now the most fascinating thing is that even if you are logged out from your account, and if you remember your um, track or I mean your product ID, you can simply track your order without logging into your system. This is actually a cool thing. I think so. So right here you can see recently with the user ID 13, I have placed two order, um, and this is the status of the order, which is delivered and in progress. So if I check the 30, I mean sorry, the user ID 13 and the product ID 2. So let me track the current order ID. What's the order ID? Is maybe 30. So register email is Mukesh, mukesh@gmail.com. So let me track. So right here you can see the current status of our purchase item. The product is delivered successfully. So like this you can track your purchase item, and you check whether the status is delivered or in progress. So this is actually easy to navigate your purchased item. Thank you.